We have the Mi TV 4X here, which is an Android smart TV. So this is from the Xiaomi brand, which is of 50 inches. This is one of the best TVs that you can get under 30,000 rupees, which is a great value for money. It has 4K, Ultra HD, Dolby Audio, DTS-HD, PatchWall, HDMI, Google Assistant, Google Play, Chromecast built-in, YouTube, Netflix and Prime Video. Let's see what's inside. Hey, there's nothing here. Where has it gone? Let's check out. Oh, it's right here. Let's measure this TV. Okay, then like this. And who cares? Here's the Mi TV 4X 50-inch. Let's check it out. So the TV is really thin, which is a big plus point. Look at this. It's the size of my index finger. Oh my god. Can you believe it? Wow, that's just great. We have the remote here. It has the Google Assistant, which can speak, download and quick response. We have Netflix and Prime Video. We have the volume control button. Okay, let's see how many batteries. So it needs 2 AAA batteries for it to work. And let's switch on the TV. The only sad thing is it takes a lot of time to switch it on. Really, it's really irritating. So I'm just gonna skip this part. This is the first screen that you get after switching on the TV. This is the PatchWall, which is given by Mi TV. This is the more options you can find: Amazon Prime, Netflix, your TV, YouTube, and many more. You can even install Hotstar and many other apps. So here's a Google Play, which you can download many apps. So we got really good apps here, and it's really an advantage to have a smart TV like this. So you can play any games you want. You can download apps like Moon, Hotstar, and many more. The TV also has Netflix. So here we go to the Netflix one. And the only problem is we need to subscribe to it. So the subscription might cost around 200 rupees or something. It also has Prime Video, which also requires subscription. The TV has 4K HDR, 10-bit display, 20 watts speakers, Dolby. So you don't need to replace your old soundbars if you have one, because the TV sound quality is not such good quality such as the Thomson or the high Android TV. And it has PatchWall operating system, Android TV, 64-bit quad-core A53 processor, 2GB RAM, 8GB built-in storage, 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports. The price is 30,000 rupees. What more can you ask for? The rating is quite high on websites such as Amazon and Flipkart. Let's talk about the design. The Mi TV 4X50 doesn't look very different from the rest of the smart TVs in this category. This is definitely not negative. Smart TV has slimmer bezels on the sides and a small module at the center base for power button shortcut and a wireless connectivity. The smart TV is quite light at 10.9 kg and has a base width of 27.2 centimeters. The TV is quite easy to install and can be wall mounted as well. Let's move on to the display, operating system and more. While the design is very much standard, the Mi TV 4X stands out with its 4K resolution. The smart TV comes with 4K HDR 10-bit display, which is quite impressive considering the price point. Compatible content on smart TV feels bright and dynamic. It does well with non-4K content such as 1080 pixels and 720 pixels, though upscaling leaves a room for improvement. We had no qualms about the viewing angles either. We will recommend users to personalize the display settings depending upon their preference and ambience. The biggest strength of Xiaomi's smart TVs is the content. We have seen several other brands trying to mimic the experience on their smart TVs. Xiaomi, however, has been ahead of the game with its PatchWall operating system. The new PatchWall OS 2.0 seems more refined and smarter. For instance, you can enter Fire TV through on-screen HDMI tab instead of looking for settings or shortcuts to input source. Xiaomi is offering built-in Netflix and Amazon Prime Video access through its smart TV. This is a really good feature. This is quite rare for smart TVs in this category. The company has added shortcuts to these apps on its remote as well. Xiaomi is now offering a wider catalog of content. You also have the option to use Google's ecosystem on the smart TV as well. The TV comes with two 10-watt speakers powered by Dolby. This isn't an upgrade over the predecessor, but don't expect to replace your existing soundbar yet. Looking at some recent premium smart TVs, we doubt native audio quality on smart TV is going to be any better in the future. At 30,000 rupees, Xiaomi's Mi TV 4X50 is no-brainer. It's definitely much better than the last generation Mi TV. Native Netflix and Amazon Prime Video along with 4K HDR support are some of its top highlights. If you're planning to buy a new smart TV under 30,000 rupees, Mi TV 4X is definitely worth considering. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe.